I'm delighted to bring you the highlights of a conversation I had with our friends from Coupa, Gabe Perez, VP of Sales Enterprise West, and Meg Hall, Senior Product Marketing Manager, who are joining us at Highspot Discover. Coupa has been growing leaps and bounds, and amidst that growth, Meg, Gabe, and the team have driven a 10x increase in prospect engagement using Highspot. Now, we're going to find out how. Starting with Meg. Meg is going to share how by using Highspot, she and her team helped enable the sales team drive incredibly high engagement with prospects. Let's take a look.
So we've been able to use Highspot in a variety of ways. One of them is we've actually been able to deliver content to our sales reps in Salesforce. So when a sales rep will go into Salesforce, they'll go to the opportunity page and they will be able to see on that opportunity page, based off of the sales stage, the industry that they're in, and the region that they're in, the most relevant piece of content. So that way the rep doesn't have to search through 24,000 pieces of content that we have. They can actually just quickly find on that opportunity page in Salesforce when they're thinking about that deal, find the right piece of content to be using. So that's one of the ways that we're able to create that personalization at scale and really support our reps as they're getting onboarded.
That was so cool. I always love hearing how customers are able to give the right content at the right time to their reps within their daily workflow. And speaking of reps workflow, we're now going to hear from Gabe, who's been along for Coupa's entire growth journey. Gabe is going to talk to us about what consistent rep performance means for his rapidly growing team. Let's take a look.
Yeah, so I've been at Coupa for 10 years, so from 20 people all the way up to now. And we went from a problem of not having content to getting content, not being able to find it. Then we replaced our legacy platform with Highspot, which at least at first phases gave us a place to find it. But what we're getting now with the growth, so the two biggest problems we have is, as Meg said, is the growth of number of reps we have. So onboarding is critical, and being able to find what you need when you need it is very critical for onboarding. But also, two, being able to mature the way to deliver content through these things like sales plays. So it's not just getting the corporate pitch, but understanding here's the corporate pitch and here's all the ways you could tweak it based on the situation you need. Or you're selling to this vertical, it's more than just having a couple vertical slides, but it's having the entire package delivered into you in a way where you can cater it. Because no rep just downloads something from the site, Highspot, or we call it the vault, and just uses it as is. So the context of being able to have all the supporting collateral to put together the story we need for our rep is powerful.
That was really powerful and such a great perspective for our audience. Thank you to Gabe and Meg and the whole Coupa team for being Highspot customers and for joining us here today.